Welcome to the teardown episode, guys. So here we have the air bar disposable pod, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear this thing apart and see what can we salvage from it. People usually throw this stuff out when it's empty, but we're gonna see what still can be used. For the teardown, we're gonna need a scissor, a small screwdriver set, and a tissue to wipe some leftover. So here's the pot, and this one is completely empty. So to tear this thing apart, open it from the bottom, which is here, and we're gonna snap the cap out. And then you're gonna pull everything out gently. And the cover is pretty empty, so this is the whole system. We got the tank, or what I say, we got the battery and also the LED part. The sponge flavor can be removed by pulling it out. Look like this stuff, we don't need it, so we're gonna cut this thing out. Then we're gonna remove the LED from the cap. So this is the battery. The battery is small, and this battery usually used in a mini drone and RC toys. Red represent a positive terminal and black represent negative terminal. We're gonna test this battery whether it's work or not. It's 3.2 volts, so yeah, it still can be used. The LED connection is a little bit weird, so if you guys know how to use it, comment down below. So that's it, what we can salvage. So yeah, that's it. Like, share and subscribe if you like the content. Ciao lucu!